In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Affinity Designer. We'll cover selecting your text, revealing the color panel, choosing between fill and stroke, and picking the exact color using the wheel, sliders, or a hex code. By the end, you'll know precisely where to click and how to avoid common mistakes so your text updates exactly as expected. Begin by selecting the text you want to change. Choose the Text tool, the A icon, from the toolbar, then click the text object on your canvas. If you only want to recolor part of a sentence or a single word, drag to highlight those specific characters. If you want the entire text object to change color, it's enough to have the text layer selected. A quick glance at the Layers panel can confirm you've got the right object, which is helpful when multiple text layers overlap in your design. Next, make sure the color panel is visible. In many workspaces, it appears on the right side. If you don't see it, go to the top menu, open View, then Studio, and choose Color to show it. Panels can be docked, tabbed, or collapsed, so look for the tab labeled Color and click it to expand. Once it's visible, you're ready to set the active color target. Inside the color panel, you'll notice two overlapping selectors. The solid icon represents fill, the main body color of your text. The ring-shaped icon represents stroke, the outline around the letters. Click the fill selector to bring it to the front. That tells Affinity Designer you want to change the text's body color. If your goal is to alter the outline instead, click the stroke selector first. If changing stroke seems to do nothing, remember that an outline needs a stroke width elsewhere to be visible. Now pick your color. The HSL color wheel is great for quick, visual choices. Drag to set hue, then adjust saturation and lightness to taste. For precision, switch to sliders and choose the model that fits your project, RGB for screen graphics or CMYK for print workflows. If you have an exact brand color, type its hex code into the hex field and press Enter. Your selected text updates live, so you can preview results instantly. If the color doesn't change, double-check that the text object is selected and that fill is active for body color changes. Also confirm the layer isn't locked. And that's the process. Select your text, open the color panel, choose fill or stroke, and pick your color. With these steps, you can confidently style typography in Affinity Designer and keep your designs consistent and professional.